Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but I walked away. If only I knew what I know today. Ooh, I would hold you in my arms. I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do and never hurt myself. Oh, if I had just one day, I would tell you how much that I miss you since you've been away. Oh, whoa, it's dangerous. It's so out of line to try and to make time. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do and never hurt
Spausk prenumeruoti ir nepraleisk nei vieno video. Daugiau apie X Faktorių rasi naujienų ir pramogų portale tv3.lt.